31 Platoon, this is literally your last night as a civilian. What do you think? Good luck. Team, I'm a dick. I've left my memory card at home, which means I can't shoot a video out here. I'm only going by phone. Apple to Mac doesn't go well. So let's go back to the office, shall we? In 3, 2, 1. So 31 Platoon, we're sending you off today. We're about to send you on the adventure. Your life's about to change. The phoenix is about to rise from the ashes. That's you. It's all about you today. So by this time tomorrow, you will have put up your hand for oath or affirmation, and you'll have signed the contract for the next 4 years of your life. Do you need a pen? Bang. Well done. You've got 100 points. Don't lose them. And I wonder who's going to have the freakiest person in the bed beside them starting tomorrow. No, be at the mantra tomorrow night, getting ready for the COVID lockdown. Who's going to be in 31 Platoon hearing? Hallway 31 every day for at least the next 100 days. That's a C in Rome. We've got Brendan. We've got MG2456. It's unlucky, man. He's going too. And Grid. And Ethan is going to the Air Force. Wonder if he's going to be an Aggie. No one's going to the Navy this time. Cabin boy. You don't need the anesthetic tonight. Hey team, if I've missed you and I haven't put you down as 31 Platoon, no disrespect, I'm sorry, put it in comments right now while you're subscribing to the channel. See you later. Here's some tips, as I'd say in New Zealand, to get you through Kapooka. Great strategy. Make yourself human in the eyes of the instructors. How do you do that, Kaz? You take a picture of a lovely lady, whether it be a sister, whether it be your mother, whether it be a friend, or whether it be a girlfriend. And you stick it on the board beside a picture of a dog, lovely dog. Beside a picture of a motorbike or a car, something interesting, your father. Someone who served in uniform, your grandparents. Because what that'll do is make you human instead of just a number. And it'll make it harder for them to treat you badly. Take some snacks, something that you love, but not KFC, and put it in your administrational bag so when you get a chance to go to that one day, when you have some privileges coming into your life, you've got something to snack on straight away. These moments will be fleeting. Enjoy them. Take nice writing material and photos and send them to your grandparents through a letter, an old-fashioned letter with a stamp on it. It's what they value, it's what they appreciate, and for the rest of their life, that'll probably be beneath their pillow as they are proud, the #1 fan of you. Even if that letter does smell like a boot. Take a video of a message to yourself, anticipating there'll be moments where you feel like you can't hack it, you can't go on, and tease yourself by a video from when you were a civilian to why you joined in the first place. A motivate yourself kind of message. Another one. A pact. What should you do when you get to Kapooka and you get your assigned bed buddy, mate buddy, battle buddy, that you make a pact with them? You physically tell them, I am here for you, you must be here for me. Regardless of whether we be friends or we get under each other's skin, for us to stuff up, for us to fail, we both have to drop the ball, and that's not going to happen. If you're doing bad at weapons, then I will assist you. When I am doing bad at navigation, you will assist me. We're here for each other. Let's prove it through action, not just words. Handshake. Battle buddy. Here's a really important one. Use some leadership. Be the first person to say at the start, before anyone has got any sorts of dilemmas, United Nations, you're going to have every single day an allocated unofficial second in command in your section, and that person will make sure that everyone is accounted for, that everyone is in the right place at the right time, and that person gets a chance to be the boss when the section commander is not there. That way, as a section, you stick together, stand together, accountable for each other. If you are the 2IC, the second in command of the day, then what you should do is a handover each night for 10 minutes. Call the section in, enter Simo's bed, everyone sit on it, a couple of beds, and have a meeting. What did we do well today? What did we do badly today? And give everyone a chance to have a voice, to focus on what the problems were today and what we're not going to do wrong tomorrow. That way you will stand out to the staff of that platoon as being a section that, 1, gets along, 2, looks past its differences, 3, doesn't make the same mistake, and is probably going to be the best section. And when you're the best section, you can concentrate on having fun. And for even more fun, more edginess, little micro bets. Robbo, if I can beat you today in the shoot, then I get to eat your bread at lunch. Simo, if I can beat you at the shoot today, you have to find a way to smuggle me a Snickers bar. And if you get caught, it ain't my fault. The first beers for the entire section goes to the person who goes the slowest in today's run. Paper, scissors, rock. Knockout competition. Whoever loses has to go and call one of the section commanders or the platoon sergeant bombardier. The person who scores the worst in the next test has to deliberately get themselves in trouble. Here's a hot tip, and it might be too late for 31 platoon. Learn the phonetic alphabet. You need to know it. In the Air Force, Navy, Army, Police, Ambulance, Firemen, etc. You need to know this. It's the NATO phonetic alphabet. I spell Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, Delta, etc. Learn it. If you're going to 31 platoon, or you're going in the next platoons, I think the next one's 7 platoon, then let us know what's going to be your last meal. Let us know when you're going in. Let us know what you're going to miss the most. And let's just make this about 31 platoon today. Tips for Kapooka. Right on. We're in your corner. As you know. Take it easy. Your life's about to change in every single way. And we're proud of you. And the 100 points that you try to retain. Take it easy, mate. And I still call Australia home. Bye.